Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Math with Hira. We have started the GCSE Math series and we are covering the topic of fractions where we have already discussed about how to write mixed numbers as improper fractions. Now in today's video we are going to discuss how to write improper fractions as mixed numbers. So let's try some examples. So example 1 is write 31 over 4 as a mixed number. To write this as a mixed number, we are going to divide the top number by the bottom number. So to divide this, we are writing 31 inside, we are writing 4 outside, and we know that 4 7 times gives us 28, and when we subtract it, we get 3. And now we will write it like we write a fraction here, and whatever your top number is, it goes to the left of the fraction, and your left number goes to the bottom of your fraction, your bottom number goes to the top of your fraction. So because 7 goes to the left, so 7 goes here, 4 will go to the bottom, so 4 will go here, and 3 goes to the top, so 3 goes here. So this is your um, improper fraction as a mixed number. Let's discuss one more example. Write 7 over 3 as a mixed number. So again, we are going to do the same. We will write 7 inside, we will write 3 outside, and we know that 3 2 times gives us 6, and we have the remainder of 1 when we subtract it, and we will again follow the same procedure. So 2 goes to the left of fraction, 3 goes to the bottom of fraction, and 1 goes to the top of fraction. So we have a fraction, 2 goes to the left, so 2 goes here, 3 goes to the bottom, so 3, this is your bottom, and 3 goes here, so 1 goes to the top, so 1 goes here. So this is your uh, improper fraction, that was 7 over 3 as a mixed number. I hope the concepts are clear. Let's write some practice questions so that you can practice. Write 13 over 6 as a mixed number. And the second one is write 9 over 4 as a mixed number. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.